Kabor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, kamasin kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, kamstet, kamklan, batbaduna bam umpia.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad K. Sangma ula Kyrpad iki Nongrep jong kasnong Lapangap West Giant Hills District bakin kiar yamenta Shipor ban lech segi Jakarep bad ban longru ki bayai Shah Katba ki bor sarkar ki dangwat ya kilat kilinti banyak keren ya Pynbeit bad ki bor sensyar ke West Karbi Anglong District Kejala Assam kani ke jing Kyrpad jong Menteri Rangba kalong sisingi hadian ke jing kendu ya kinoi alam jong Joint Action Committee on Border Issue ki bala Kyrpad ya sarkar jela ban pinbiang iki pulit ban ajing ada iki Nongrep kasnong Lapangap haba ki layot yukba syaki pinthor kba ki badan syajan kasnong tapat kabala buhai snong dagi jai bin riau Karbi hak jeng krem gala pithai ke bor hak khatsan terik urisa araja absan usang ma ula ongru bayamenta on ompala ban yakran Pynbeit ya uput usam hapreng Kejala Meghalaya bat ka Assam namar baka Assam kadang penkre ya ka election.
So the delegation that met me yesterday from Lapangap, they had requested that the harvesting be allowed, and we had discussed in detail with them, saying that the issue is very simple, that there is a lot of tension in that area, and though the harvesting is of course very important for the farmers and the public there, but safety and security is our utmost concern. And even though we may be able to provide sufficient manpower, but these kind of incidents are something that cannot be 100%, are not completely under our control, and hence we would not want any kind of unfortunate incident to happen out there, which would only escalate the overall tension in that area. And hence, to avoid any kind of unfortunate situation, we have urged the villagers that we must restrain at this point in time. We must be patient. Situation was not expected to go in this direction. There was a lot of positive dialogue going on between the different stakeholders, and we had expected that we'll be able to peacefully move forward. But unfortunately, this unfortunate incident took place, and this, as I said, was something that even the Assam police and Meghalaya police both were equally surprised, where the discussions were taking place and some sort of tension was there. This incident took place completely away from where the people had gathered. So we are still trying to understand under what circumstances this happened. But while that is happening, this may not be a good time to instigate things any further. We would appeal that we should restrain and allow peace to come in. We are engaging with different stakeholders to see if we can find a way to resolve this issue and work on it. But till then, it will be advisable that we should not go ahead with any activity that could lead to any kind of further tension in that particular area. And after sharing that with them, the people were still keen, and they urged us to speak to our counterparts and other leaders across the border and in our neighboring state, and see if we can find a way, which, as I said, we are pursuing. We are trying our best, and different officials, political leadership and administration is working at different levels to try and achieve that. Exactly, it's a very difficult situation. We cannot guarantee that right now. As I said, we are trying to talk, but only if we get a positive response from across that let's try to get over this phase and at least allow the people to harvest. Only when we have a mutual agreement will we be able to move forward. Till then, as I said, though the harvesting is absolutely very crucial for our people, but as I said, the lives and the safety and security is of paramount importance to us. Most likelihood, yes, we will not be able to take the discussions further immediately. So we will maybe have to wait till the elections in Assam are over.
Pin real spa, ya kak tin la jong pin dam kam, ya kabakan kiyo kak tin Khasi, kak tin la jong, I can roy kan pa.
thia ong gate habangi don laga jong ka kentien khasi kerdop lani phalor beli lani khang ya ka tu ka phalor ngi ju ya ong saka weipan ka ktien khasi kam ju ong ban ya kiu yau up hindrangi kiu yau thiep tu daya kan mau kendit ho lapan mi da ka pati CTV na ka benta ka jing mentoi upat ba